Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to show you the easiest and quickest way to make leaf mould. In November, your garden is probably carpeted with lots and lots of fallen leaves. If left to their own devices, leaves will take at least 2 years to break down enough for your plants to derive goodness from them. It's a much better idea to collect leaves and make leaf mould out of them. Leaf mould is a dark brown, crumbly material, and well-rotted leaf mould can be used for sowing seeds. Alternatively, it can be mixed in equal parts with garden compost, soil and horticultural grit to make an excellent potting compost. Less well-rotted leaf mould can be used as a mulch on your flower beds or as a soil improver. The difference between compost and leaf mould is that compost is made from a variety of garden plants, both green and brown, and it's nutritious. Leaf mould, on the other hand, is made usually only from deciduous leaves, and it serves to add texture to soil. Making compost is a bacterial process, while making leaf mould is a fungal process. Most leaves can be turned into leaf mould, but some will take longer to compost than others. Oak, alder and hornbeam rot down quickly, while sycamore, beech, horse chestnut and sweet chestnut take a little longer. Pine needles are best collected separately. They can be made into a leaf mould that's naturally acidic, which is an excellent mulch for ericaceous plants like rhododendrons. The leaves from evergreen and conifer trees are best added to your composting process, not to your leaf mould. The easiest way to make leaf mould is to collect leaves together in piles. This can be done when the leaves are wet or dry. Stuff them in a stout plastic bag until it's 2/3 full. Water so that the leaves are wet but not sloppy. Mix them around and close the bag. With a garden fork, pierce some holes in the side of the bag. Place the bag in a shaded position and check every now and then to ensure the leaves are not drying out. If they are, water them and reseal the bag. By making your leaf mould in a closed bag, no weed seeds can contaminate it, unless of course you collected your leaves from a weedy area. While this is the easiest way to make leaf mould, it's not the quickest. Your leaves will break down much more quickly if you chop them. The easiest way to do this is with a lawn mower. Rake your leaves together and go over them with the mower. Repeat this process 2 to 4 times, chopping the leaves smaller each time. Finally, collect up all the leaves with whatever cut grass is in the mix and put this in your plastic bag. The leaf and grass clippings will give you a good carbon and nitrogen mix. Aim for a ratio of 80% leaves to 20% grass. Now here's an extra tip. When watering your leaves, you can use urine as an accelerator. Just add some to your watering can and sprinkle it on your leaves. If your leaves have been chopped nice and small and you keep them moist, you should get fabulous leaf mould in just 6 months with this method. Finally, watch out not to disturb wildlife like hedgehogs hiding in piles of leaves in sheltered places. Happy growing!